In order to manifest anything that you want, all you have to do is use the law of assumption. Hi, you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hello from the Bahamas. I am currently filming this video from Bahamas. I got my pink drink. I'm all set. The weather is amazing here. I am having the best vacation, the best holiday ever. I feel like I literally manifested this off my vision board. I have spoken a lot about law of assumption in my previous videos, but just to reiterate, you have to assume whatever it is that you're desiring or whatever it is that you want to buy, it is already yours. So I want to give you like quick examples of things that recently happened related to material desires. So there was this dress I wore in Istanbul, which is like a pink dress, and this was a dress that I badly wanted it. I had seen it on West Side. It was on offer as well, and the only problem was that this was there only in the large size, and I really wanted a medium. So I had tried on the L size, even though I knew that it wasn't gonna fit me and it was gonna be like loose. I was just like, no, I'm just gonna try it. It looked so good, but it was the only problem was that the dress was a bit loose and they didn't have any other sizes. They ran out of all sizes. It was one of the big West Side stores that I had been to in Hyderabad city. Suddenly went, asked the shopping assistant, and even they were like, we're sorry, we're on a sale, we're sold out, and this particular dress is like super demanding, so a lot of people have already picked it out. I don't think you'll find it anywhere else. And I was again going back to the US in like the next 3-4 days, so I knew that I was on a time crunch. So it wasn't like I could wait for a couple of days then go back to the store, see if they have the dress or not. So I was literally in a state where I'm like, okay, I'm just not going to get the dress and I'm just going to fly back to the US without the dress. Even when I came back home, like when I took a picture of the dress in the trial room, I had seen that dress and I was like, oh my god, I love this dress. It looks so good. Like I really want it. I was like, you know what? I really love this dress. I really want this dress. I'm gonna robotically affirm that I already got the dress. All I did is I affirmed for a couple of minutes saying I bought the pink dress I loved from West Side. So I just kept affirming repeatedly saying I got the pink dress from West Side that I loved. I bought the pink dress from West Side that I loved in my mind on a loop continuously for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes, and that's about it. I let it go. I didn't think about it. I didn't stress about it. I just know that I already bought the dress. It's mine. I'm gonna wear it, and I'm gonna wear it for my holiday, or I'm gonna wear it whatever. I was just imagining myself wearing that dress, taking really cute pictures, all of that. And guess what? I think like one day afterwards, I went to the nearest West Side store. It was just like 5 minutes away from my home, casually. And I went with my niece and I had told her that, you know what? If I get this dress, I'm gonna buy you like earrings from West Side. And my niece, as you all know, children are very enthusiastic. They don't understand the difference between something that's real, something that's not. My niece is like one of the best people I've met because she's such a natural manifester, and she has so much belief in herself and in knowing that whatever it is that she wants, no matter what outcome, what situation, she's gonna make it happen. Just told her that I'm gonna gift you something like a chain or earrings from West Side if you are able to find this pink dress that I really wanted. And I showed her the picture as well, and I told her that it was out of stock, it wasn't available anywhere else. And she's 8 years, okay, but I just wanted you to know that she is the most powerful manifester that I've ever met. Both went with that excitement to the store. Believe it or not, she came running to me in just a couple of seconds, even before I could like go to the ladies section. She went, ran, she got the dress, and she was like, I found it and it's in size medium. And that's the dress I wore to Istanbul. A lot of people even said the dress was really pretty. So yeah, that is how it happened. I also want to give you an example of my niece, who I mentioned is like a powerful manifestor. I was playing this game with my niece, where it's like a yes or no game, and all you have to do is ask a question. It can be any random question like, am I going to be a doctor in 5 years? And it's a yes or no question. So you just flip the coin, and if it lands in yes, it means it's yes. If it's no, it's no. It's just a fun game, that we were just playing and chilling with. And she really wants a dog, okay, like very badly. She wants to have a dog as a pet, and she's been asking her parents for a really long time. Yeah, her parents just wanted to get a dog once she's a bit old enough and she can take the responsibility of a dog, so they're like just waiting for it. So yeah, so she really wants a dog. She's been asking them for her ninth birthday, all of that. And she asked, so before tossing the coin, she asked, I want to get a husky. So am I getting a husky for my ninth birthday? And then immediately before tossing, flipping the coin, she goes like, I just want to be very clear that even if it's a no in this game, I'm still getting a husky. It's just going to be for my 10th birthday instead of my ninth birthday. I mean, I know this is something so silly, so simple, but the fact that my niece is like 100% certain, she's like, I know I'm getting a husky, like I know I'm getting a dog. It's just that maybe it's not going to be for this birthday. I'm going to convince my parents and it's going to be for the next birthday. And it actually landed on yes, which is when she got like super, super excited. And she's like, oh my God, I'm getting a husky for my ninth birthday. Like, that's so cool. And, that's so exciting. And she was like so happy. And I was so happy looking at her, being so happy while playing this game. Do not believe when you tell them something like, oh, this is not reachable, or when you tell them, oh, it's unattainable, because it's in that young age that most of us try to scare them, especially parents. And I'm not trying to tell you in a negative manner. We all have our own trauma, we all have our own problems. Our parents have gone through a lot of trauma as well, which was put in them or they were influenced by others. So I'm not trying to blame anyone in general, but that is how most people are wired. We are all wired to like worry more, stress more, think negative thoughts more, and that's how that pattern is the same pattern that we unconsciously put it on our children as well. So that is when you need to become more mindful, and you need to like observe kids and not let them ever think even for a second that they can't believe in themselves, or there is something that they can't get. Whatever great it is they want to manifest, getting a pet dog like my niece, anything is possible, and it is certainly something that they can get, is what you need to make them believe, so that they can always grow and always have that faith in themselves no matter what. So I am so happy that my niece found the dress, obviously, but at the same time, she is someone who never believes something is impossible. Like, even when I tell her, like, oh, it's raining outside, we can't go out, she'll be like, why not? Why can't we play in the rain? She's like that. I want you to have the same like childlike attitude when you are trying to manifest. I spoke a lot about my niece, but literally children are the most powerful manifestors. They can manifest anything overnight if they really want to. Any material desire you have, I don't think you should feel bad about it. You should just know the way that you can assume it into your reality, and whatever desires you have, it is totally natural and it is normal. Whatever it is you're trying to desire, even if it's out of stock, even if it's not in your size, even if you've seen it somewhere and you are not able to find it anymore, let go, relax, breathe, just trust the process, assume that it's already yours, think that you already have it. Like, yeah, I already have it. I already own a MacBook Pro. I already have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Like, that's my camera. Just affirm this for a couple of minutes, detach, let go, and watch how the universe brings it to you. There will always be signs, follow the signs, and make sure that you execute whatever your subconscious mind tells you. So, yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope this was inspiring. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. If you haven't already checked out my Get That Dream Job workbook, you definitely should. All the methods that I mentioned in this video as well, the affirmations method, the scripting method, all of this is mentioned in detail, step by step, in my workbook. So you can find the link to purchase in the description box below. 1:1 email coaching, you can email me at jyotsnamarisetty@gmail.com. So I have mentioned my email ID right here. If you are interested in 1:1 email coaching with me, or you want to have a 30-minute call with me, just make sure that you drop me an email and I will get back to you. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Lots of love. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.